In this video, we're going to look at how to view responses after you have given people your Google form. And so in this one, since it's a test form, I went ahead and took it 3 times really quickly to kind of show you what that data would look like. You'll notice up here, this second tab is called responses, and it tells you how many people have taken your form so far. There are many ways to look at your responses. You can look at them as a summary, so that means all three put together, and it'll give you some nice charts and graphs. You can look at it by individual question, so if you want to analyze just one question at a time, or by an individual person who has taken the form. So here under summary, as you can see, it gave me a nice little chart of how many people have taken it. And since I put on points, I can also see what their scores were. And then it goes down to exact questions. And so I can see quickly one person got it correct that their favorite color should be blue. And so as you can see, it makes this nice chart for me, gives me percentages, great things to share with people. So you can copy the chart and do things with it. So it's very helpful. The next one is by question. So you could analyze it just by looking at one question at a time and their responses. And then and then you can also go to the second question if you want to. And then also you can look at it by an individual person. Now, because I did not limit this to or ask to collect email addresses and names, for me, it shows person one, person two, person three. But if you collect email addresses, it will say one and also tell you their email address so that you know exactly who submitted those responses. And so that is helpful. If you want to be thinking about that to give students individual data or parents individual feedback, you want to make sure you check that off there in that settings that we talked about. So now I can see this person, their exact answers to both questions. If I want to go to person two, I just click on the next arrow, and now I see the person two's responses. So that's helpful. And then so on, person three. This has been a quick video on how to view responses. Remember, you go to the responses tab, and then you have options for how you want to look at the responses, as well as, this is important to see, if you're still accepting them. So maybe if you tell staff members or parents or the community that all responses are due by today, Thursday, the 26th, tonight, you could go and you could swipe this off. And so now no one can take the form anymore. And it will tell them when they go to click the link or take it, this form is no longer accepting responses. So that's helpful as well. A great tool there within responses. Thank you so much for watching.